I could you and act like I never know. Shit. I'm a know. I'm a good pussy connoisseur.
Facebook?
Uh,
Huh?
yeah, tell them where we going.
Yeah, we about to go get the wings and shit. They showing the commercial,
KFC.
the KFC,
Yeah.
but the seasoning is in the meat.
It,
You know what I'm saying?
pause.
You know what I'm saying?
Pause.
Pause.
Just say it's in the, like, just it's cooked into the.
It's cooked in,
It's just
you know what I'm saying?
it's
you know,
culinarily cooked into the
into
the
the
chicken. Yes.
and it's like I don't know how to explain it. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
But wait till I take that first bite. You feel me? I've been describe the you know what I'm saying? The flavors, the seasonings. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And all that. I'm gonna get on my what's the name? What's this nigga? Niggaaz and shit. The food channel, motherfucker.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cold as a motherfucker out here. Woo!
That's cold as shit. It was snowing earlier. You know that, right?
Hell yeah.
It's fucking lovely.
My eyes tearing and shit. You know what I'm saying? We going to KFC though. I want to try them wings. I know my my lips is ashy right now. You gotta pardon my appearance. We on a mission in freezing weather because it's literally freezing. Oh, it's literally freezing out here.
Ah, that is it.
You know what I'm saying? Literally. You know what I'm saying?
I wouldn't like get too many drinks and shit. My sister weed and shit. Ooh, I've been walking.
What'd you say?
If I ain't drink so much, ain't smoke so much weed and shit this morning, I'd be literally freezing more than I should be and shit. The liquor's making me numb.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
it's freezing though, but like I'm a little numb though. I'm about to get even more numb and shit. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
What?
Yeah, baby. Shit. By the way, some of these wings and shit. Try these wings. What the fuck? What's so special about these wings and shit?
Man, I'm tired of that commercial coming on. You know what I mean? It's football Saturday. It's a football game. Come on today. Matter of fact, it's probably on as we speak. There go KFC right there on the corner of 106, 3rd Avenue. Yeah, I can see the motherfucking sign from right here. 50-cent wing. Oh my God, those doors those doors slamming like the police. Like boom, boom. You know what I mean? I thought it was over. I'm not doing anything wrong, officer. I'm just trying to go get some wings. I'm black, so I like chicken wings. You know what I'm saying? So when they come out with new chicken wings, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be the first nigga, you know what I'm saying? Or at least the second or the third to try them.
I will shit.
Yeah.
You gonna be whatever number you are, I'll be right before your ass.
Yeah, we going to motherfucking KFC to get some wings.
KFC.
Yeah, hell
What
yeah.
these wings about?
Oh, look at that chicken. Look at that chicken.
Bacon and cheese.
Yeah. Oh my God. KFC is like, this is for the black. These are the wings we want to get right here.
That shit look good though.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, give me on the lip. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my girl, she told me I had a little sofa. Yeah.
What?
I ain't gonna go crazy right now. Yo, listen.
I'm trying to get some wings. Yes, I want 30 wings. The new ones.
Make sure they got that in there.
Right there, yeah. I want 20 and 10, 30. Yeah.
Me.
Thank you. There's a lot of chicken here, obviously. $25.01. You got 30 wings? Yep. 30.
Look, 20 wings for $10. That's a good deal.
Hell yeah.
6 wings for $3. Take you both.
Some wings.
6 wings on face off.
Yeah.
Afro Americans. Shit, you know, eat. That's good deal. Yeah, they got good deal.
Right there?
Yeah, mom.
Yeah.
I got the game and shit. I'm about to eat these wings and shit. I mean, wings gonna be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 30 piece. About to get the 30 piece. Man, I'm gonna fuck these wings up. You don't got no fucking idea what the fuck I'm gonna do with this fuck. I'm saying I got steak, I got hoes, some rice, and I got patillos. At the same time, I'm gonna hook up some more patillos. You know what I mean? I'm trying one of these wings real quick. Fuck that.
Get that right there.
Hold on, let me show you.
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's a new wings though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look, the seasoning is baked into this motherfucker. It's new shit. See what I'm talking about? I already told you. Huh. That's how you clean a chicken bone. Yeah, chicken done. Fuck this.
Yeah, spicy sauce. Good ass wings, right? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll break it down to the bone gristle. Oh yeah, we about to munch. That shit was good, wasn't it?
That shit was fucking.
I told you.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? There you have it. You know what I'm
I
saying?
only had one, too.
I want to check from KFC. You know what I'm saying? You can say that you make it out to Ronnie Jenkins. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you emphasize the Jenkins. All right?